So I'm sitting down in port, and airplanes usually blink. Absolutely nothing. Satellites are way too fucking dim. This thing's super low, and it's not super low, but it's got to be a kilometer or two up there. Bright as can be. Still no blinking or nothing. And it's moving too slow for a satellite. This way, it's dimming out. And it's pretty much gone. It's gone. It disappeared. It's gone.
Hey there, YouTube world. I'm here with the Flying Dutchman,
Jonny V.
aka Jonny V. We're down in Port Stanley again. The reason we're here, you saw that clip earlier. He saw something in the sky very suspicious the other night. And
unexplainable.
Yeah, I saw the video. I woke up, I was taking a dump, I saw the video. And it blew me away. I'm like, we gotta tell this story. So here we are down in Port Stanley. This is where it happened.
Did that video help you dump?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
This is kind of a panorama of Port Stanley here. Johnny comes down here sometimes. A lot of people come down here. It's a very nice place. Watch all the boats come in. So Johnny's down here relaxing, and
like every other night, I'm a big stargazer. Always been into astrology. Anyways, you can edit that if you want. Anyways, yeah. I was out here just stargazing, looking for northern lights because of that aurora borealis storm, and you know, I look up in the sky there, and I see something really, really bright. Well, I thought it was a jet, but it was too bright for a jet, and jets will usually blink. Now, for those that don't know, when you're facing on with a jet or an airplane, and you're looking at that head on, you can't see it blink, you can't see it flash. So there's a couple moments where you just can't see it. Well, that night, last week, I was sitting out here, and I seen it come across the horizon from Port Stanley, from the land area, and then it looked really bright. It was too bright for a satellite, but it wasn't blinking, so it wasn't a plane either. And I watched it pass by me, and as it passes by me, it's still not blinking. It's super bright, and then all of a sudden it flashes 2-3 times and it goes off into the sky, and it was gone. So it's unexplainable for me. 2 minutes later, well, not 2, but we'll say 3 or 4 minutes later, a jetliner comes by, and it gave me a good reference, and it was the exact same height.
And you were telling me that this blip was going like 5 times faster than the jet.
Yes, so after the jet passed by, it gave me good reference as to how high that object was, and it was the same altitude. And it also gave me a good reference as to how quick it was going, and it was going about 3 to 4 times quicker than what a jetliner was, and there was no sound to it or anything. If it was going 4 times the speed of a jetliner, it'd be going quicker than the speed of sound. Therefore, there should be a sonic boom at some point, but there wasn't. So
that video really is unexplainable. It just, the light blips around,
and then gone.
And then it's gone.
We live in unprecedented times. You know, you can answer yourself the question: is it something that the government's testing, or is it something that's beyond our world? We'll let you, the YouTubers, decide. For me, I don't know. I think it could be government. Like I said, we're living in unprecedented times.
Who knows what it could have been.
But I know what it wasn't. It wasn't a plane. It wasn't a satellite. It wasn't Starlink or any of that crap. I know that it wasn't any of that. What it was, I couldn't tell you.
Satellites don't blip all over.
No.
Jets don't turn at right angles.
So.
Who knows? Who knows? It could be. I'm not a rocket scientist. For all I know, it could be aliens, just high tech, like you said. Maybe it could just be high tech technology we don't know about yet that people have done.
One other time we lived out, not on the shoreline, a couple concessions off of the shoreline, and we've seen something like that. Me, my mother, and my daughter. My daughter was a young lady, and it came across from the couple concessions away. Mind you, to me, it looked like fields at the time because it was super low and bright. And then all of a sudden, it was super low and bright, and it just shot right up into the sky, and it took right off, and it was gone like that. Like, it was crazy. And this resembles the same thing.
I've heard that 1 in 20 Americans claim to have seen something that flying in the air that they can't explain.
If anybody has any explanation to this, any officials of any sort, or anybody that anybody that can shed any light as to what it was that night, or if they possibly seen it as well, then reach out and let us know, please, because I couldn't have been the only one. Like, the beach was full of people that night.
Well, with 200 subscribers, if 1 out of 20 people have seen something, that stands to reason that 10 people have seen something. So, yeah, if you have a good story, leave in the comment section. I know a lot of people that have seen things. I've seen a couple of other cool videos that a friend of mine shot that were quite unexplainable. So it's a story worth telling. That's why we're down here in Port Stanley telling it, because I believe the world will probably want to see this video. It's pretty shocking.
I'm baffled. Still really hasn't sunk into that I've seen something that I cannot explain again. Like, right here, look. That's a plane. Right now, that's a plane.
Oh. There we go. I gotta get my gimbal right. Okay, yeah. There you go. You can see the flashing. It has lights. It's going in a straight line. It's not darting around everywhere.
Can you zoom in?
Yes.
There you go. Okay, perfect.
I don't know why I didn't think to zoom in before.
You can clearly see.
Yeah, it's not flying all over. That's my crappy camera work. I'm all zoomed in. It's not zipping it all over.
So that's easily distinguishable right there. That's a plane. What I've seen that night was not doing that at all. As you watch the video, you guys can make that judgment on your own. But you've seen it firsthand right now. That's a plane. What I've seen was not doing that at all. Not even a jet. Like, I can clearly see jets when jets do that. Like I said, I've been born and raised out here my whole life. I know what I've seen, and I can tell you what it wasn't, but I cannot tell you what it was.
Yeah, and I think another really good point worth mentioning is that this is Lake Erie, one of the top 15 biggest lakes in the world. So it is common for a lot of UFO, UAP sightings to happen near very large bodies of water. So
USOs as well. I think I swore. Anyways, that's the whole.
What's a USO?
Oh, that's a whole nother topic on its own.
Oh, all right. Well,
yeah.
Anyways, I think that pretty much covers it, right?
Yeah.
That's the story told, right?
Unidentified submerged object.
UAP. Oh, okay, I gotcha. UAP, UFO.
USOs are supposedly really big off the coast of California right now, but I've never heard of one in the Great Lakes as of yet. So, but who knows?
And there's no way that was a drone.
No, that was definitely not a drone whatsoever.
Doesn't make sense.
No, I have a drone, and I know that was not a drone. So that's what I thought it was at first, but I'm like, no. Like, it was gone, and it went out to space. It didn't stick around. So, did you see that old PP come by twice?
Well, brother.
Yeah. Did you see that though?
Yeah. Yeah, we got the cops eyeballing us here. They're like, what are these weirdos doing down here on the pier? So, anyways, thank you for watching till the end. And we'll catch you on the next video. As always, YouTube is for you.